Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I wanted to make a quick video to show people who prefer to write their notes by hand how you could take those handwritten notes and put them into the digital notebook, and then I can grade it. So if you prefer to write your notes by hand, that's totally okay. But how am I going to check your notes if I don't have a paper notebook from you? So here's what you're going to do. So if you are doing this, and actually what I'm showing you is my phone. So if you're doing this on a smartphone or a tablet, what you want to do is first go to the App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store, and you need to download the app for Google Slides. All right. Now here is the quick way to do this. Once you have the app for Google Slides, the fastest way to get your paper notes into Google Slides is to, let me open up, let's open up my physics notes. All right. So what I would recommend is to do something like this. So first you want to go to the digital notebook. I'm going to go to whatever page that is. And I would recommend setting up the page just like you normally would. So I would make the lesson title and all that. So let me show you. Okay. All right, so let's say that this was going to be the page where you were going to use for your notes. So I would still keep the heading here. Okay, and actually, sorry, I want to duplicate this page. Try something. Oh no, don't go anywhere. Can I duplicate the page? Edit, copy, paste, anything? Or whatever. Oh, there we go. Oh, it doesn't have the duplicate option when you're in the app, but I can go copy, paste. There we go. So I made a blank page. Okay, so what I would do is, make your heading as normal. So I'll call it, I don't know, test lesson. So it's just a test I'm doing. Oh, why did it do that? All right, I guess I'll do this. So whatever, just practice, unit 1, date, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now that you have the heading, when you go to make your table of contents, it will still be easy for you to make the table of contents. You could still link to whatever you titled this lesson. But now, if you did handwritten notes, how are you going to get them in here? So here's what you're going to do. If you look over here at the top right of the app, you have that plus sign. So tap that. Then what you want to click is image from camera. All right. So now I'm going to use this magazine on teaching that I've been reading, and I'll pretend like this is my handwritten notes. So I'll take the picture. Okay. Sort of shadowy there and stuff, but totally still readable. Don't worry, it's not an art project. All right. Came out a little big, covered up the title. So I'm just going to shrink it a little until it's not covering up the title of the lesson. And then there you go. If you find that you have a bunch of extra empty space that's like just darkness or whatever, what you want to do is click crop and, crop around the edges if there's too much like just messy empty space there. And there you go. That's it. All right. And again, as long as I can see that you have adequate notes and that you did practice problems and whatever we did in class, you're getting the grade, because it's not an art project. I just want to see that you have your notes. There you go. Okay? So just make sure that you have the Google Slides app, and then you're going to tap the plus sign, image, camera, take a picture of your notes, and you can do that on any page. Okay? But otherwise, you're going to follow the procedures like you would for if you were using the digital notes and typing them in. All right. I hope that helps out. Let me know if you have any problems. Later.